Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to use green screen on Capcut. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, go to Capcut, tap on it, and tap new project, and select the video of green screen. For example, I'll select this one, then tap add. And this is the video. So first guys, tap on the video and then go to remove backgrounds, tap on it and tap chroma key, and that's it. Now take this point to the green color and decrease this one like this until show the video clearly. Okay, then tap this and that's it. Now you can easily select a background of your video. Come back, then come back and go to background, search for background, tap on it, and here select the image that you want, tap this icon, and for example I'll select this one. So that's it. Now you can easily adjust the cat like this, put it in the middle, and that's it. Then tap export to export the video, and this is the video guys. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.